Let's make chicken cutlet. Add 2 cups of brown rice, and for every 1 cup of rice, add 2.5 cups of water, or pour enough water until it reaches the first knuckle of your index finger. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 30 ml of olive or vegetable oil, and let it simmer for 40 to 45 minutes. Boil your broccoli for 10 minutes on medium heat. If the meat stops grinding, use a spoon to gently push it down. Don't use oil, as it can change the texture. Cook the chicken cutlet for 4 to 6 minutes per side on medium heat, and make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Check frequently and flip occasionally to ensure it cooks evenly on both sides without burning. Hope you found this helpful. Catch you in the next video. Peace.